Fact 1. Human missions to Mars. By 2050, multiple manned missions to Mars could have been accomplished, possibly leading to the establishment of permanent settlements or research outposts. Fact 2. Space tourism. Space tourism may have become mainstream, with regular trips to low Earth orbit, ELEO, and lunar tourism opportunities facilitated by companies like SpaceX, Blue Origin, and Virgin Galactic.
Fact 3. Advanced propulsion systems. Breakthroughs in propulsion technology, such as ion drives and nuclear propulsion, could enable faster and more efficient travel within our solar system, revolutionizing space exploration. Fact 4. Sustainable space habitats. Efforts to develop self-sustaining habitats in space using resources from celestial bodies like the moon or asteroids may pave the way for long-duration missions and eventual colonization efforts beyond Earth. Fact 5. Space mining. Mining operations on asteroids, the moon, and Mars could extract valuable resources like water, rare metals, and helium-3, supporting both space exploration and addressing resource scarcity on Earth. Fact 6. Interplanetary Internet. An advanced interplanetary communication network could facilitate real-time data transfer between Earth and spacecraft, enabling seamless communication and collaboration across vast distances in space. Fact 7. Advancements in space medicine. Progress in space medicine could lead to better countermeasures against the health effects of long-duration space travel, ensuring the well-being of astronauts on interplanetary voyages. Fact 8. Autonomous spacecraft. Spacecraft equipped with advanced AI could autonomously navigate, make decisions, and conduct missions, reducing the need for direct human intervention and enabling more complex exploration endeavors. Fact 9. International collaboration. Continued collaboration between space agencies and private companies from different countries could lead to joint missions, shared infrastructure, and collaborative research efforts, fostering cooperation in space exploration. Fact 10. Exploration beyond the solar system. Efforts to explore exoplanets and search for signs of extraterrestrial life could expand our understanding of the universe beyond our solar system, inspiring future generations to continue pushing the boundaries of exploration and discovery.